friends, this is Miss Shelley, and I'm here today with Marco and Gabriella, and we're going to do an experiment. Are you guys ready? Okay, so what we need is we need empty water bottles, we need vinegar, baking soda, funnel, spoon, and balloon. Okay, so we're going to start with the baking soda. Okay, so Gabriella, we're going to put the end of the funnel into the end of the balloon. You okay, honey? Get something in your eye? Okay. Okay, and can you put a nice big spoon? Do you want me to help hold it? Okay, can you put a big spoonful into the funnel so it goes into the balloon? Whoa. Okay, let's get another one. Okay. I'm going to give it a little shake, stir it around so that it goes inside. Okay. All right, now Marco, here, can you get yours in? Okay. Grown-ups, feel free to help with this because sometimes it's a little tricky keeping that balloon on and getting the baking soda to go inside. Okay. Alright, Marco, you got nice big scoops. Let's get it all into the balloon now, okay? That's a lot, buddy. Wow.
But I want it to explode.
Okay, so try and get that in. Give it a little shake. Help it get inside. So don't pinch the balloon though, honey.
But I know.
Here.
Can you put it on?
Not yet, honey. You're gonna do the vinegar next. Okay, so Marco, I'm trying to give it a little shake. Try and get it to go through the funnel and inside. Okay. Now the funnel's empty. The baking soda's in the balloon. Okay, Marco, first, Gabrielle has to put some vinegar into hers. So I'm gonna wipe out the funnel. So get all the baking soda off of the funnel. It's clean. Okay, so Gabriella, can you put the funnel into the top of your water bottle? Okay, here, I'll hold it steady for you and you pour some vinegar in, okay? Marco, can you hold on? Let us catch up, please. We're gonna do this together, buddy.
We need to put it on.
Okay. Alright. Vinegar's going in.
Can we pour some? No, I need
I think
some
that's a
more.
lot.
Gabrielle will get some more.
Okay. Do you want the funnel?
Okay. I want to pour. I want to take some.
Alright, let's save Marco. Can we please save some vinegar for some other stuff?
Okay.
Okay. No, I think that's fine, Gabriella. I don't think we need to take it out. Okay, guys.
Wow.
So,
I think it is gonna explode a lot.
all right. So, Marco, do you want to tell the kids at home what are we gonna do next?
So you put this on the
Top.
of the water bottle.
Yeah. So again, grown-ups, you might want to help out because this is a little tricky. Okay. So Marco, I want you just to leave it until we get your sisters on. Okay. Yeah, it is a little tricky. We don't want to break the balloon or pinch our fingers. Okay, so hold on. Here, Gabriella, let's get yours on.
I hope it doesn't break like last time.
Oh. Okay, and stretch it out. Okay, and then, kids, what you're going to do is you're going to lift your balloon up and make all that baking soda go inside. Oh!
It's going to explode.
Whoa, look at Gabriella's.
Look at mine.
What happened with yours, buddy?
Mine exploded again.
Okay, what happened with Gabriella's?
Gabriella, what happened?
What do you see?
I see my balloon explode.
It did what?
This.
It blew up?
Mine
Yeah,
didn't
it's
again.
all full of air. Very, very
exploded
cool.
again.
So we might have a discussion now about what we observed and what happened and why we think it
Marco,
happened.
you had a broken balloon.
I know, Marco's balloon broke. Maybe the power was just too strong. What do you think? If you put in a lot of baking soda and a lot of vinegar,
I need to make a
you
hole.
might
I want to see what happens.
try it again and maybe with less and see what happened. And how much air has gone into Gabriella's? Here, show.
It's gonna explode.
So this was a really fun science experiment using chemistry, and
And it's
kids of all
bubbling.
ages, I think, would have a lot of fun doing this. Whoa.
It's gonna get more.
So give it a try at home if you've got all of the necessary equipment, and comment and let us know how it turned out for you.
Yeah, and like too.
Like our video
And
and subscribe to
subscribe.
Kidz Korner. Bye!
Bye.
Hey everyone! If you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to click the like button below. If you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel and remember to ring the bell so that you get notifications whenever we post a new video. Lastly, share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. And remember, you are awesome.